See, these are our letters. Oh, what happened? Who did this? Oh my god. Let's pick up. Let's pick all letters and arrange them quickly. Okay, let's pick them. Okay, let's arrange. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Wow, see? A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E is for elephant. F for fish. And G for crabs. Now let's do it again. Pick all letters. Okay. Now H to O. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. Wow! See kids, H for horse, I for ink, J for joker, K for kite, L for lion, M for mango, N for nuts, and O for orange. Okay, let's do it again. Pick them all. Now shake and say P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. Wow! See kids, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rabbit, S for snake, T for table, U for umbrella, and V for band. Let's do it again. Pick all of them. Now for W, X, Y, and Z. Now shake and say W, X, Y, Z. Wow! See kids, W for water, X for Xmas tree, Y for yoga, and Z for zebra. Now do it again for numbers. So pick all these numbers. Now say number and say number. Okay. Number. Wow! See kids, our numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, 0. Alright. Thank you for solving our puzzle.